Psalms 53 verse 1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. John 15:7. If you remain in me and my word remain in you, ask whatever you wish and it will be done for you.